Welcome everyone. So today we're going to find out the fifth root of such a big number. The number is 95099000499. Now when you have to find a fifth root of such a big number, especially when there is no calci involved, okay? Literally there are a few tricks with which you can do this, okay? And it can literally take very less amount of your time. Now first very important thing is that we need to check whether this is a 2-digit number or a 3-digit number. Okay, so now let's count how many digits are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So total number of digits is what? 10. Next, let's understand what will be 10 raised to 5. So 10 raised to 5 will have how many digits? It's 1, then how many followed by 5 zeros, correct? So that it has basically 6 digits. And 100 raised to 5, that is what? 1, and then followed by how many zeros? 10 zeros. So this is 4 6 8 and 10. So basically that is 11 digits. So now if the total is 10 digits, I can say that obviously it is not greater than 100, means it is somewhere between 10, your answer, and 100, right? So obviously it is a 2-digit number. Now I can say that your answer consists of two numbers. Now let's look at the last digit. So from here we can find out the last digit of our answer. So now please understand, whenever you have any number 1 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5, 3 raised to 5, 4 raised to 5, if you check 5 raised to 5, 6 raised to 5, 7 raised to 5, 8 raised to 8 raised to 5, and then 9 raised to 5. Okay, all of these answers are the numbers itself. Means 1 raised to 5 is 1, 2 raised to 5 is 2, 3 raised to 5 is 3, then this is 4, then this is 5, then this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, and this is 9. So from here we can say that the only number which will give us the last digit as 9 is nothing but 9 itself. So I can say my answer has the last digit as 9. Okay, so in case you are looking for an answer and if they've given you options, so in the options, all the options have different last digits. Only one option has the last digit as 9. From here only you could have selected your answer. Okay, but if that is not the case, then in this case what do you do? How do we find the first term of your answer? Now please understand, whenever you want to find the root or any nth root, okay, let's talk about the nth root. So here what you will do is you will cancel digits, n digits from your right end to focus on the leftover digits. From there you can figure out what will be your first part of your answer. So now since I know that there are fifth root we are trying to find, so we'll cancel 5 digits: 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now this entire number is super important for us to decide the first part of our answer. Okay, so now in this case what we will do is we will try and find out what is 5 raised to 5. Okay, now 5 raised to 5 is what? Let's break this. It looks like what? 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2, right? Because in indices we know that a raised to m can be written, it can split, or a raised to m plus n, sorry, my bad, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, so using that, this looks like what? 125 into 25. Okay, now that answer is very close to 3100 something, or 3125 is the actual answer. Okay, Now please understand, your answer over here has to be lesser than the number left over given over here. So we need to make sure that your answer doesn't exceed 95,099. Okay, but now 3125 is way less than 95,000. Okay, so let's talk about 8 raised to 5. So this is what, again we can split it as 8 cube into 8 square. So this is basically 512 into 64. Okay. You can just round it off to what, 510 into 70, and then see what is your answer. So you get double zeros, and then 7, and then 35. So this also, the answer comes out in 35,000, but we want our answer closer to 95,000. So let's look at one more number. Let's try and see what is 9 raised to 5. Now see, 9 raised to 5, if that number exceeds the number given over here, then we could have directly said that the answer, or the first part of your answer, is 8. Okay, but since that we have to check, let's do this. So this is what, 9 cube into 9 raised to 2. This can be what, 729 into 81, sorry. Okay, so you can write this as what, 730 into 80. I am just trying to round it off. Okay, please understand, it cannot be your real answer, but we can check whether it is greater than 95,000 or not. Okay, I don't need the exact answer for this one. So this is what, 4 to carry 56 plus 2, 58. Okay, so 58 is of course closer to 95,000, obviously much closer than 8 raised to 5. And since we don't have any other digit, okay, after 9, because then the next it is what, 10, 11, and it will become a 3-digit number, and we know that it is not a 3-digit number. So from here I can directly say that the answer, or the first part of your answer, is 99. Sorry, just 9. Okay, so I can say that entire fifth root of this particular big number is nothing but what, 99. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. Please remember, this trick is super important for anyone who is planning to get into entrances. They purposely give you these kind of tricks. Okay, most of the times the numbers are also, like sometimes, so you don't even have to go to the first digit or the second digit. You just have to look at the total number of digits. From here only you could have figured out what is your option given. Okay, you could have selected the option, but just in case if they have given you 2 options, then you check for the last digit, and if the last digit also same for 2 different options, then in that case you have to go and check for the first digit as well. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.